In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Claude 500 internal server error. Let's get started. First, wait for a minute or two and then try your request again. In many cases, this error is caused by a temporary server issue and resolves on its own. If the error is still there, refresh the page and resend your prompt. A simple page reload can often fix temporary browser issues. Next, try starting a new chat. Sometimes a specific conversation can run into problems, and creating a fresh chat can bypass the error. If that doesn't work, check whether Claude is experiencing a service outage. You can do this by visiting Anthropic's official status page and checking for any reported issues. Another effective fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. After clearing them, restart your browser and sign back into Claude. You can also try logging out of your account and logging back in to create a fresh session. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, temporarily disable it and see if the error disappears. Another troubleshooting step is to open Claude in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps identify whether browser extensions or stored data are causing the issue. Finally, if you're submitting a very large prompt, try breaking it into smaller sections and sending them one at a time. Large requests can sometimes trigger processing errors. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix the Claude 500 internal server error. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials.